where we are sharing the latest news and release kit from Bandai. And for this video, we have this 30mm Armored Core 4, Pirates of Rubicon Rad CC-3000 Wrecker Milktooth, with the price tag of 3,500 yen, and release date will be on 2025. Armored Core 4 Pirates of Rubicon Balam Industries BD-011 Melander, with a price tag of 2,300 yen, and launch date will be on 2025 June. Balam's Industries Armored Core BD-011 Melander 1-in-144 VXM-6 Round Nova 2, with a price tag of 1,345 yen. Again, release date will be on June 2025. Comes with